Hi, let's take a break from traveling and do some shoutouts. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full, especially the tips. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Shoutouts goes to these people who are constantly watching and commenting on my video. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. I will do another shoutouts every other weekend for all loyal subscribers. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. We are Filipino Swiss abroad. We are originally from the Philippines and Switzerland, a citizen of New Zealand, and was an expat in United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. We've been traveling to Asia, Europe, and Middle East pre-COVID times. We are back now here in New Zealand. Please come with us traveling around the country and I'll show you some beautiful sights. It would be great if you could check out my older or previous videos about New Zealand so you will learn more about the place. Thank you. And please don't forget to like the video, not just in the comments because it helps a lot. The more likes, the better. Please also check the links on the description box below. Paalaala lang po para sa ating lahat. Marami pa po sa atin ang hindi nakakaalam ng mga ayaw ni YouTube. Please check po yung previous video ko na shoutouts, ando doon din po yung mga details. At saka ito, makikita nyo po ang mga bawal na words or mga salita na ayaw niya. Kung hindi, itatapon lang po yan direct sa folder, spam folder po. So ito po ang dahilan kung bakit maraming dagdag bawas sa subscribers count ninyo. Ilang beses na po kasing sinabi, ayaw po ni Whitey ang sub to sub. Wala rin namang kasing kwenta ang sub to sub dahil pagkatapos nun hindi na nila kayo maaalalang puntahan para panoorin video nyo. Huwag po tayong pasaway para hindi dagdag bawas ang mangyari sa atin. Sayang lang po ang effort nating dalawa kung hindi po tayo magtutulungan at hindi gagawa ng tama. Your sub is not counted. Please remember that. Based on my experience, binabalik lang ni Whitey ang nawalang sub pag bumalik yung viewers at nanood uli sa'yo. I hope this will help us to grow more, so please cooperate. Thank you!